Hello, and welcome to ChartMill. In today's video, I'm thrilled to introduce a brand new feature that many of you have been asking for: full-screen stock charts. If you're looking to streamline your stock analysis, you're going to love this. Some of you may have noticed it already, but if you go to the main menu under Tools, you'll now see an option for full-screen stock charts. With just one click, you'll open a new window where you can enter one or multiple tickers or load an existing watch list. I'll start by loading a recent watch list of my own. These are all US stocks currently scoring at least 7 out of 10 on our high growth momentum scale. Watch as I select this watch list. It opens instantly in the new interface. Now, you'll see all the tickers in your watch list neatly displayed in a column on the left. Click any ticker from this list, and its chart opens automatically in full screen. For me, the chart defaults to the daily time frame, with a volume profile on the right and quarterly revenue and earnings data below. Several moving averages are already plotted. But here's where it gets really powerful. You can set up your own indicators and overlays by clicking on Edit Chart Indicators. You can even choose specific fundamental indicators. Want more control? Click on the Extra Chart Settings icon. Here, you can adjust the start and end dates for the chart, define the chart style, and even decide if you want markers for earnings, dividends, or stock splits on the chart. You're in control of every detail. If you like a highly customized look, the Colors tab allows you to change the color of nearly every item on the chart to match your personal preference. For our paying subscribers, there's even an Earnings Data tab, where you can toggle earnings visibility on or off, placing them either above or below the chart. Under Select Period, you'll find a list of predefined timeframes to quickly generate charts for short, medium, or long-term views. Select Chart Type and Select Time Frame are exactly as they sound, giving you the freedom to choose the perfect chart style. Moving on, let's explore the View options. This is a quick way to customize the layout of the full-screen page. Click the small triangle to open a menu with several options. Two Charts displays two charts of the same ticker side by side, each independently adjustable, so you can easily compare different timeframes. Choosing Charts and Properties, or Two Charts and Properties, adds a new column on the right, loaded with additional information for deeper analysis of your chosen stocks. To add these additional insights, click Add Properties at the top of this column, and choose from a range of data options relevant to your analysis. Here, I'll select Minervini Fundamentals and Sector View, since I'm focusing on growth stocks. The result? I immediately see key financial figures like revenue, earnings, and profit margins, alongside information about the sector, industry group, and even sub-industry for each selected ticker. If you want these settings as your default layout, click Add Properties again and select Make Config Default. Now, each time you open the full-screen stock charts page, this view will load automatically. When you click on another ticker in the watch list, its chart and accompanying data load seamlessly. At the top right of each chart, you'll notice 5 icons you might recognize from the Stock Screener and Stock Charts applications. Let's quickly run through them. The first icon takes you to the profile page of the selected stock, where you'll find even more detailed information. The next icon allows you to add this ticker to another watch list or create a new one. The bell icon brings up a list of alert options for this stock. For more on setting alerts, check out the video linked in the top right corner and in the video description. The position sizing tool is accessible here as well. And lastly, the annotation tool you're familiar with from the standard charts. We've added 2 new tools that are worth mentioning. This icon lets you measure the distance between 2 closing prices. Just click and drag from the starting point to the end candle, and you'll see the percentage difference and the elapsed time. This icon allows you to save an annotated chart locally. And the best part? Now, annotations stay visible even if you close and reopen the chart. They'll even auto-scale when you switch time frames, keeping everything perfectly aligned. For instance, if I draw a green box around a price range on the daily time frame and then switch to an intraday 10-minute interval, the box will automatically adjust to the new time frame. When I return to the profile page and reopen full-screen stock charts, all my annotations are still there. You can close the annotation toolbar by clicking the far right icon on the toolbar. This powerful new charting feature and the updates to annotations are based on feedback we've received from users like you. It's your insights that help us make ChartMill even better, so we're able to invest in features that matter most to your trading. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon with more updates in the next video.